Hello everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas, and I am in my city backyard today. Beautiful spring day. Still a bit chilly, but look at that sunshine. Ah gosh, you got to love Texas in spring. It's not too hot yet. It's beautiful. And it is about time to start thinking about the garden, Start your seeds. I have some raised bed that you see over here, so I have two metal, and I have a big one over there in the back that is pretty nice. So I am here because I am going to start some seeds, and it is part of a seed collaboration, Survival Seeds 2024, that I'm doing with a lot of other channels. It is hosted by the Vineyard Chicks, KK, Trey and Bunky, also by Bushcraft family, Charles, and by Jessie and Lisa from Lazy Days Ahead. So if you haven't done so, check out the channels and check out all the others that participate into the Survival Seed collaboration, because there are tons of prizes to win. All you have to do is comment on the videos, and so far I think they've got over $1,000 worth of gifts that they're gonna give away, so it's gonna be fun. But what am I going to plant? So it's a mix actually between veggies and herbs. Veggies, I'm a big fan of tomatoes and tomato kind of mozzarella, tomato salads. I put tomato in everything. So one of the first one I'm gonna plant is some Roma tomato. That's one kind. I'm probably gonna try a few other kinds. I have some seeds that I got last year from Wendy at Miss Hardknack Farm. So I'm gonna try some of hers. She had some banana tomato, so I'm gonna have to try this one. So tomato is a must-have for me in the garden. Another one, because you cannot have tomato in salad without basil, right? So I'm gonna have my basil. I'm gonna plant some zucchini as well because I love zucchini. So these are really my must-have, I would say, in the garden here. I have limited space, so I'm really focusing on the ones I really like. So tomatoes, zucchini, some basil, and we will try a few more. But so far, these are really my must-have. And for the herbs, I decided here to choose among the ones Bushcraft is proposing, because he's doing some tincture this year, so pretty interesting. I'm gonna try the lemon balm here, because all these herbs come with medicinal properties, so I'm interested in seeing what he's gonna do with this tincture, but I am going to try that one. And I also got some hyssop, so we will see how that one does. I'm probably gonna try some coriander as well. I love coriander, so we will see. A few more to come here, but here it is, spring and time to get started. So I am excited here, and let me show you my raised beds. So these are the two I need to clean. Not much left, as you can see. Last year, actually this one did not work out too good. So that one, I had some eggplants that actually produced. I might try again. We will see on this one. I might actually do zucchini in one of them because they're very invasive. They go everywhere. I want them to be in a defined spot, so I might actually use them for zucchini this year. Kind of reverse the setting versus the ones I have over there. Still needs to be cleaned, huh? But I have a few things left. The few things being some, look at this, some strawberries. So not many, but I have one here and a tiny one right there, so not many. For the rest, I need to clean it up. The second one here, and I'm gonna start some tomatoes in this one, as well as some of the herbs. So we will see how this does. And of course, I always have stuff in pots because I love the pots. So this one here is a, come on, goji berry. I ate the last one 2 weeks ago, and I think they're all gone now. No more gojis, so. But yeah, I have a few more on the other side of the yard, a few more plants in pots. So here I have some fig trees. Yeah, they're kind of almost blooming again. It is spring. See the green here? It's hard to see, but yes, all green, starting again. So So these ones, unfortunately, they were raspberries. I think the dogs did not do too good. I hope they're gonna restart. We will see. Some citruses here, but it's gonna take years before it produces anything. And here, the blueberries, actually, we had a few last year, so I'm hoping for some blueberries. And here is more citruses, trying to grow some pineapple. And I have an olive tree. I need to start cleaning it up and setting it up for spring here. The pots you see here from the Dollar Tree actually were not a big success last year. My dog really messed them up, so I have a few. I like to use them for herbs, but they're not very resistant, not very stable in case you have big winds, so I'm not sure I'm going to use them again this year. We will see. But there you are, spring in Texas, so ready to plant. Check out all these survival seed videos. Participate, post comments, and let's have some fun together, and let's grow some food, some herbs. Hope you enjoyed, and please, if you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out all the other channels as well. Thank you all for watching.